Hi there, store owners. Whether you own a small boutique or a large retail establishment, we're here to help you take your business to the next level. Today, we'll discuss key strategies for improving customer experience, increasing sales, and enhancing your online presence. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about optimizing your product displays. A well-organized and visually appealing store can make a huge difference. Consider using attractive signage, proper lighting, and group similar products together to make it easy for customers to find what they're looking for. Regularly update your displays to showcase new arrivals and best-selling products, keeping your store fresh and exciting. Next, we'll cover the power of social media for marketing. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are fantastic tools for connecting with your audience. Share high-quality photos and videos of your products, behind-the-scenes glimpses of your store, and customer testimonials. Use hashtags relevant to your industry to reach a wider audience, and consider running ads to target potential customers. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages promptly, and host interactive polls or giveaways to create buzz around your brand. Excellent customer service is another cornerstone of a successful store. Train your staff to greet customers warmly, assist them with their needs, and provide knowledgeable advice. Encourage a customer-first culture where employees are empowered to go the extra mile. Remember, happy customers are more likely to become repeat buyers and refer others to your store. Let's not forget the importance of enhancing your online presence. Ensure your website is user-friendly, mobile-optimized, and includes detailed product descriptions along with high-quality images. Implement a smooth checkout process and offer multiple payment options to make online shopping convenient. Additionally, gather customer reviews and display them on your website to build trust and credibility. Finally, consider hosting events or workshops at your store to create a sense of community. Special events like product launches, limited-time sales, or how-to workshops can draw in crowds and create memorable experiences for your customers. And there you have it. By optimizing your product displays, leveraging social media for marketing, offering exceptional customer service, and enhancing your online presence, you'll be well on your way to boosting your sales and growing your store's reputation.